Hey there guys, it's Adam here from adaminsights.com, and today we are unboxing or unwrapping, enveloping my Google socks. So this is true, I've just received a pair of Google socks for free. The reason I've got it is because I tend to contribute to Google Places quite a lot and put a fair few reviews of places that I visited on Google Maps, and also upload some photos as well. And because I've done that quite a lot and it seems that people like my photos and I keep on getting points for my reviews, Google sent me an email saying, hey, do you want a pair of socks? If so, enter in this voucher code and your address and we'll send you a pair of Google socks. So they've just arrived, and let's unwrap them and have a quick look at them, eh? Seriously hope I don't end up chopping the ends off by accident. So they're Google Places or Google Maps, Google Review socks. There we go. So they're unisex, and I guess they're one size fits all. Google Local Guides socks. It begs the question, if you do more and more reviews, do they actually send you like a pair of shoes as well? It's kind of cool. It's got all of the, or some of the maps symbols on there. Yeah, that's got the maps drop pin. So yeah, that's what you get. And let's have a look at the specs here. So one size, 69% cotton, 29% polyamide, 2% elastine, supplied by Brand Edition St. Louis, Missouri. Okay, and well, looking at the packet, returns to Nova Marketing, but I've got no intention of returning these because these socks are really, really cool. They feel nice as well, so I'm looking forward to trying out these Google Local Guide socks. Guess you can never have enough pair of socks, eh? Okay guys, so that's actually what the video is all about. Yeah, I'll give you one last little look there. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy my other videos. Cheers.